Hello, my name is Leo, and I work in the manufacturing department at Leatherman Tool, here in Portland, Oregon. One of my favorite tools is the Super Tool 300. The original Super Tool came out in 1995, and shortly after that, the Super Tool 200 came out. This version has new features that make it the tool I keep on my belt for work or when I'm camping on the weekends. The Super Tool 300 is made from 100% stainless steel. It's built on our largest 4.5-inch platform, and it sports our biggest, most heavy-duty pliers, even bigger than the original Super Tool models. On the new 300, the handles are rounded, so they are really comfortable when you're putting some real muscle into the job. The handles also have these cutouts, so if you are wearing gloves, you can still get the tools out. All the features in the inside of the Super Tool 300 lock with this thumb padlock system. This is by far the easiest, safest, and strongest design yet. Something else that is new are these replaceable hardwire cutters. Being able to take the cutters out and replace them or sharpen them on the spot make it much faster to get back to work. In addition, the cutters themselves are made from 154 cm stainless steel that keeps the edge about 3 times as long as traditional steel. At the base of the pliers head, you will also find stranded wire cutters. The Super Tool 300 has all the standard sizes of the screwdrivers that professionals use. It has a serrated blade, a straight blade, a nice large file, and a great saw. The Super Tool 300 is the perfect tool for someone to use on the job every day. We get stories from carpenters, electricians, soldiers, Marines, hunters, ATV riders, and more every week, telling us how their Super Tool got them out of a jam. Like all Leatherman tools, the Super Tool 300 comes with our industry-leading 25-year warranty. You can always find more information about our specific materials, warranty, customer service, and much more on our Leatherman website. And hey, if you are ever in Portland, come by and take a tour to see how we make the Super Tool 300 and all the other tools.